Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. I wish I had a sign. There's my before. I'm getting new curtains, and this is where the couch is gonna go, y'all. It's gonna be cute. To show this in my haul, but I did get this from Home Goods as well, and I'm going to use this to, of course, store my makeup. This is what we're working with right now, y'all. And guess what? We have some wine. All this is going to get clean and organized, and I'm going to show you on my couch. Okay, so I have these unfolded already, and I got these from Dollar Tree. I featured them in my Dollar Tree must-haves like haul video. So I'll have that link down below if y'all want to see it. So here's how it looks, and I'm just gonna put like my eyelash boxes, lip gloss boxes, eyelashes, just all my inventory. Well, not all of my inventory, but just like inventory in here. So that's this for now. This couch actually comes with storage, girl. So all of my like Cricut stuff is going to go in here. Also, like all of my like Valentine's Day, basically any holiday stuff that I have, like Christmas and all that for KDK Beauty, is going to go in here as well. And it's a lot of room, so I'm super excited and so happy that I got this. So I'm just going to do that now. So I put all of the storage in here. It's not like super neat, but I'm really tired, so I'm just gonna put it in here like this for now. I want like hard plastic bins, so once I get that, I'm gonna like label everything and, you know, do it like that. I probably will just honestly get totes, that way they'll have like a lid to go to them. But for now, this is all I'm going to do. Okay, so y'all remember when I purchased these white desks from Walmart a while ago? I'll insert a clip of what they look like. Here's the desk. I'm adding knobs, those knobs that I showed you guys earlier in the video. I'm adding those. I had to make holes and do all the measurements and stuff. So you guys aren't trying to like spend a lot of money, girl, get some cheap furniture and just like add your own little touch to it. And these knobs were 6 for $10, and you can probably get them way cheaper than that. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and it looks so cute so far. So I don't know if I showed you, I think I showed you guys this like in a video a few months ago, but it's just like some lights and they're pink balls. I never put batteries in them, so I'm gonna put batteries in them and see how it looks. And then I showed you guys this in the haul earlier in this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the package and try to see what it looks like and all of that. So here is what it looks like. It comes with these letters, and you can just like make your own little quote or saying on the board or whatever you want it to say. You can put it on here. So this is how the sign looks, and you can customize it however you like. And I just put Boss Friends, and I'll probably just be using this only for my videos, for like the back of my videos. So I'll probably just like stand it up like this, like that. But yeah, for now I have it right here. It looks cute right here, but I'll probably honestly just put it up and just have it for my video. This is how the rest of my desk looks for now. I have my little mini laptop and then my notebook. I actually don't have covers on my personal one, so I do need to add covers to these ones. I might do that, I don't know. So if you guys ever see my personal one, just know that they do come with a clear cover. I just don't have mine on there. And then I do have these pins available for sale. So if you guys like these, you can go purchase these. This is the one that I'm going to be using from now on. But yeah, it looks cute and simple for now. I didn't want too much clutter on here. That's why I probably want to put that up and then scoot the flower down there. So yeah, here is how the lights look like when it's dark. I'm such a kid, but it's so cute, and I put it on my couch just for decoration or whatever, I would probably never be in here in the dark, so I'll probably most likely move this. And then earlier I showed you guys my makeup organizer that I bought, and I don't have a lot of makeup that I use. Well, this is just like my everyday makeup. I have this little tray. This is actually a picture. Until I find some other stuff, this is what I'll be working with or whatever. I literally just got done organizing this, so down here is going to be only for my shipping products. I have my other little tools and stuff that I use. For this shelf, I'm not sure what I'm going to put up there. I'll probably show you guys tomorrow. I'm waiting on my other bookcase like this to arrive. It was supposed to arrive Saturday. Today is Sunday night. Well, technically, it's about to be Monday. So it's supposed to arrive today, Monday. So when it does, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'm going to put it up and be finished. So Liquid finally came, and it's raining outside, so it's like really, really dirty and stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this together, and then once I get it put together, I'll record me putting everything on the shelves and stuff. So hang tight, girl. Necklaces right here. Don't mind my nails, I'm getting them done tomorrow. They look a hot mess. I got all different types of boxes up in here. I think I'm gonna put these right here. I have so much inventory coming, y'all. Let me know down below what inventory have y'all ordered that y'all waiting on. I am finally done organizing my office. This is how it looks for now. And I did do a few orders, so they're right here. I have to finish those. You guys will see that in the next video. I have my eyelash boxes, my lip gloss boxes, and my eyelash packs right here. Then right here, this is where all of my accessories will be. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys know how I hang them up. But my command strips aren't working, so I have to go get some more. So I may show that in this video. If not, you'll see it in the next video. So when you come over here, I have my makeup vanity setup area with a huge mirror. I never showed you guys my knobs, but this is how my knobs look. They look really, really cute, and I'm so happy that I added them. I also have another bookcase with all of my supplies and printer and shipping stuff. Everything like that is right here. And then here are my curtains. I changed them to some sheer white see-through ones. It just makes the room feel way bigger than what it was. And then I have my cute little couch right here. This little handle is for my storage. I showed you guys that already. I usually just tuck that in. I am going to be getting white pillows later today, so I may show that in this video. If not, subscribe to my channel right now so you guys can keep up with everything that I changed. I had these pillows for years and years and years, girl. I just threw them on there though. And then I bought this blanket. I did not know that this was an Easter blanket, but it has like cute little bunnies on it, but it matched perfectly for spring. So I'll just keep that for now. And that's what I use literally all the time. I was literally just laying right here, y'all. Right here is a little storage bin that I purchased from Home Goods. I showed you guys earlier, it was $50. They have cheaper ones. You can get these at Michael's as well, but when I seen the pink and gold, you know I had to get it. New addition to the family, and I love it so much. Me and my mom both seen it. She was gonna get it from my sister, and then I was like, I literally just seen that. I'm gonna move this lamp. I don't know where I'm gonna move it to, but this rug literally added the perfect touch to my room. This is how everything looks for now. And I just love it. I have so much storage space. showed you guys my knobs, but this is how my knobs look. They look really, really cute, and I'm so happy that I added them. I wanted to quickly show you guys a package that I received. Ooh. Okay, so you guys have definitely seen this company on my channel. It's Irresistible Me, and I showed you guys their ponytails. They have like different extensions and just weave and stuff on there, and wigs and all of that. So y'all can go check them out if y'all want any of that. Ask me did I want to receive their new flat iron, and of course, so it's called the Black Diamond Professional Hair Straightener. And girl, it is so cute, and it's so funny because I have one like a similar color to this, but I really wanted a new one just to try out. Here it is, and it just looks very, very, very great quality. I cannot wait to use this. I'm definitely gonna get one of those things where you like hang your flat iron going and stuff, because I want to keep that in my beauty room, because I usually just have all my hair stuff in my bathroom. And so it goes all the way up to $4.50. That's really, really good. And if y'all want this flat iron, I will have a discount code down in the description box for y'all. I'm gonna give you guys an up close now. Okay guys, so here is the flat iron that Irresistible Me sent me, and it's so nice. As I was saying, it's a rose gold color, and then it has like a black matte. And there's their Instagram and website. If you guys need a new hair straightener, you should definitely try this one out. I cannot wait to try it out. Like, look at the plates in the inside. Look at that. It's so nice. I am definitely going to be using this. Today is, it'll be Wednesday when you guys are watching this, and it's like 1 a.m. So I'm definitely going to be using this when I do my hair on Thursday. I'll have an update for you guys letting you know how I like it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it. But if you guys want to try out a new flat iron and also get a nice percentage off, girl, go to my description box and let me know if you purchase it or whatever. I'm going to literally have this forever. And yeah, so this is the name of the Black Diamond Professional Hair Straightener. And of course it comes with this long cord for you, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, being short or whatever. And yeah, thank you so much to Irresistible Me for sending me this. I cannot wait to use it, and I hope all of my boss friends love it or whatever. I'm natural, so this is going to be like really, really good when I use it, because you'll be getting like a really, really good review, because I'm natural. So if it straightens my hair good, we have a winner. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this. To go ahead and close out this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys like this video, comment anything down below, comment your website down below, share this video with all of your boss friends, share it on your Facebook, on your Instagram, your Snapchat, whatever. And yeah, make sure you guys stay active, and if you guys have not purchased one of your notebooks already, please go purchase one, because they are so nice and you guys literally are loving them so much. They take so much time and effort and just everything to make them, and I make sure they are perfect as I can get them before they leave my house. So yeah, I'm gonna finish packaging up orders tomorrow. I have so many orders to do. This is what I did last night. I was supposed to do some tonight, but since I've been doing this, my hands and my arms have been like very, very, very sore and like cramping up and stuff. So I have to give myself breaks when I feel it's needed or whatever. So today I kind of took a break from that, because girl, my arms and finger, everything was hurting. So I have a bunch more to do tomorrow. So if you want to go ahead and put your order in, go put it in right now. Everything is custom made. Everything is made to order. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, thank you guys so much. And I appreciate you. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And expect another upload very, very shortly. This upload came out a little bit late because I was waiting on so many different things for this video, and it was a lot going on. But your girl is back on schedule, and I've been busy making those notebooks, y'all. Y'all have been showing me so much love, so I really, really, really appreciate y'all. I'm so thankful and grateful for y'all. And yeah, I just really, really love y'all so much. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Make sure you guys show me some love in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later, boss friends. Bye.